Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, get comfortable. It might be a lengthy video, but let's get started. This video, I'll be doing everything you need to know about the Glowy series collection. I have done a video like this a year ago, but because they've decided to add like additional colors and an additional collection, which is the Glowy tier, I thought why not do like an updated version of this video, which I thought might be good since a lot of you guys enjoyed that comparison. The way I will do it is I will be talking about the contact lenses starting from the smallest diameter to the biggest one. They have released a graph comparing all four of it, so I'm just going to follow along with it so that it's clear enough and hopefully you guys can follow through. The first one we want to talk about is the Glowy Natural Collection, which I absolutely love because it's very natural enough, but it gives you like a semi-enlargement detail, but not too enlarging if some of you guys don't like that whole like enlarging effect. This graphic diameter is 13.0mm and it comes in both daily and 1 month. This also features 2 brown colors, so both are brown, hence the whole natural name, and it has mocha brown and latte brown. Now in that graph that I saw on the Olens website, it also said that this has a 30% highlight, and what I believe it means is that the opacity of the highlight crescent moon will be apparent by 30%, so like not too obvious but obvious enough and natural looking enough. That's how I see it. It says that the distinct is 40%, which means is the way I see it is like how obvious the whole contact lens look like on the eyes from far ahead, the appearance, everything. So 40%, which is like below average, but I think it's good enough because again, with the name Glowy Natural, the way I see it is like you want it natural, you don't want it too obvious, right? So that's how I see it. Overall pattern is supposed to give you like this soft brown glossy look on your eyes, but also have that little bit of that crescent moon going on, which makes it more like dreamy looking. First color, mocha brown. This one has like a deep brown crescent moon, which they call like a limbo. And on the border it has this beautiful brown black border, and going in it's just like has a mixture of like golden, light brown, dark brown, and I've loved this color for a very long time. And what I mean by I've loved this color for a really long time is because by the end of this video I will also be showing you guys my ranking from my least favorite to my most favorite, so stay tuned for that. Next one is the latte brown, and this is much more lighter than the mocha brown. On the inside you get the soft brown limbo ring, aka the crescent moon, and this one is very dreamy looking and it gives you like a very beautiful milky brown reflection, but more on the latte lighter brown side. The next size up is the Glowy collection, and this is 13.1mm, and this one is bigger than the Glowy Natural by 13.0mm. This one has daily and 1 month, and this one's really confusing because one of the color ash gray, they only have it in the monthly one, so I'm not sure why they did that, but that's one thing I wanted to mention. But in terms of the colors, they have 5 colors: brown, black, green, blue, and ash gray. In terms of the highlight, this is 40% highlight and the distinct is 50% distinct. This particular Glowy is, I call this like the OG, aka original Glowy, because this is the first Glowy collection that they have released amongst all of the other Glowy, and hence I think that's why the distinct is 50%, because they probably went all out for this one to make it so popular to where it is right now. That's how I see it. And in terms of the glow, again, it gives you a beautiful natural glow but very obvious pattern. With terms of the pattern, it's very multi-dimensional look. It gives you like this really beautiful effortless glowy aesthetic vibe, which I tend to go for. Going for the color now, this one is natural brown and this gives you a beautiful golden crescent look. It also gives you like a nice puppy eye look with a nice sun reflection. With the highlighter, it's like a soft shade gold shade, which I've already mentioned. Next is pure black, and when you hear the word black, it's not really that black, it's just that the outline is black and it just gives you like a deeper, nicer contrast, and going in with a beautiful gold shade highlighter, crescent moon shade. Then you have ash gray, which I've mentioned that this is only in a monthly one, and this one has a beautiful olive shade highlighter, and I find that this has a very nice great combo with the gray, so you get the gray and green, which I think is gorgeous. Then golden olive, which is one of their latest release, I think last year. I believe. Anyway, this one has a beautiful olive shade highlighter with a golden brown base, and this is just like perfection because it also has a very nice dark brown border on the outside, which gives like a very nice sun ray finish when you looked at it like on natural daylight. Last one, which I absolutely love, and this is the sapphire blue shade, and just like its name, it has a combination of sapphire blue and gray, and I find that this one's really unique because in terms of the highlighter slash crescent moon, it doesn't really show you like a really defined crescent moon. I felt like it just goes around in loop and it's just connected into one full circle, but at the same time it gives you a very nice highlight effect as well. And again, this fire blue, I just find this really gorgeous. It's such a unique color, but again, in terms of the blue, I don't think it's the most natural blue, but it's beautiful. This is the new Collection-Glowy tier, and this is 13.3mm. So comparing with the Glowy, it is bigger by 0.2mm. If you compare to the natural, it's bigger by 0.3mm. And for me personally, when I put this on, I don't see as much difference in terms of the graphic diameter compared to the Glowy one. Maybe because of how the pattern has been done. I felt like both of them gives me like a very beautiful enlargement that I tend to go for anyway. This one comes in two colors, brown and gray. At the moment, they have this only in the daily. For the highlight, it went up to 60% highlight, and the distinct is 70% distinct. And let me explain why, okay guys? Like when you look at this, honestly, it is the most gorgeous pattern I've seen so far amongst the Glowy collection. I think everything about this is just amazing. It's just beautiful. It's just perfection. It gives you the most glistening, sparkling effect. Like you want to lure someone, you want to attract someone. Wear this, guys, okay? Like they won't stop staring at your eyes. That's how I see it, and I did mention in my previous Glowy tier collection video, I felt like as if I was just staring at my daughter's eyes, my baby daughter, and her eyes is so sparkly, it's so innocent looking, it just looks so shiny, it has this dewdrop effect, and I feel like this particular contact lens gives that effect. It's just so marbly looking, it's so glazy looking. I can use so many adjectives to describe this, but you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to say, okay? Other thing that really highlight, get it guys, highlight this Glowy tier collection is that this pattern is asymmetrical, which means that the crescent moons, no matter how you rotate it, no matter how it rotates around your eyes, it will still look beautiful. It will still look like the same pattern. It doesn't look like the crescent moon looks a little bit off on your eyes. Everything about this with the opacity of the pattern is just great, and it's just, I think because when they put it opposite asymmetrical, it's just a great idea. Now for the colors with the gray, I absolutely love it. I love that it's just so shiny, icy looking, but warm looking at the same time. And what I really like about this pattern is that it has like a hint of like white stripes on the top and on the bottom that connects the crescent moon and the border, and I think doing that really shows the pattern more, but also at the same time I think that's how it makes it look like sparkly looking. Then going on the brown, it's much more like puppy eye effect. It's much more like dreamy looking, but again, it's a beautiful creamy mocha shade for me. Last but not least is the Big Glowy collection, and just by the name Big, the graphic diameter for this is 13.6mm, which is like the biggest amongst them all. This Big Glowy one is bigger compared to Glowy tier by 0.3mm. It's bigger to the OG Glowy collection by the 0.5mm, and for the Glowy natural bigger by 0.6mm. So very big, and this is probably like my least favorite, to be honest, because of how big it is. But anyway, let's talk a little bit about the description first. It comes in both daily and 1 month. Hazel color only comes in 1 month, again not sure why, but the rest all come in like daily as well. In terms of the highlight, 90% highlight, obviously, because the bigger it is, the more obvious the pattern is. And in terms of this thing, again 90%, and partially I think because of the really bold thick border, that's why it's so distinct looking. In terms of the colors, it comes in 4 colors: brown, gray, violet, and hazel. The pattern, like I said, it has a very bold, thick border, looks very oversized looking, it has a thick iris, and it gives you a very nice dolly vibe effect. Going to the colors, first is the brown one, and this has like a very dark black limbo ring, but the inside of the pattern really reminds me of the glowy black, where you have that golden crescent moon and just slap like a thick border on the outside, and this is what you get. Then you get the hazel one, which I've mentioned it comes only in monthly. This one again also has a thick brown ring on the outside. This one particular didn't look really hazel on me for some reason. It looks more like a mocha brown shade, but when you look at it on like without wearing it, like in the packaging itself, you can see a bit of hazel to it. And for the grey one, it has like a dark grey limbo ring, but I feel like when I put it on, the grey sort of disappear and replace it by black, so it looks quite dark on my eyes. Last but not least is the violet one, and I've mentioned I really like this color, and I feel like they should release a violet of this without the border, whether it's in the glowy collection, the OG. That would be wonderful because I can see myself wearing it because of the beautiful lavender purple shade. It's such a gorgeous color, and I love the combo of how it's with the gray as well on the other side, but again, because of the dark black border, is something that I don't tend to go for. I'm going to rank it from my least favorite to the best, or like my most favorite. So the first one, the least favorite, would be the big glowy hazel. Then it would be the big glowy grey. Then it would be the big glowy brown. And amongst all of this one, the big glowy violet would probably be the one that I like more compared to the rest. Next, it would be the glowy ash grey, which is the 13.1mm one. Then the glowy pure black, also 13.1mm. After that will be the glowy natural latte brown. Above that will be the glowy brown 13.1mm. Follow along with that will be the glowy natural mocha brown. Now this is where it gets really hard comparing which one I like more now, because now I've tried the glowy tier collection, but even though it's fairly new, it's quite hard to like rank too high, you know. So the next one will be the glowy golden olive, as much as I love it, but I feel like because now I've tried the glowy tier, I feel like the glowy tier brown will be like number 3. Then it will be the glowy sapphire blue as number 2, and my number 1 favorite now would be the glowy tier gray. I know, honestly, when I wrote this here, I have had like question mark of like the glowy tier brown and grey where I would put it, but now thinking about it and stewing over it and deciding and then filming this now, I've decided to rank it a little bit higher over my glowy sapphire blue, just because I feel like if I compare the sapphire blue and the grey, which one would be the go-to and easier to wear, what like much more wearable, it would definitely be the glowy tier grey compared to the sapphire blue, because it's quite hard to mix and match with the sapphire blue. But honestly, I did use the sapphire blue a lot when I was on my trip in Japan, but if you know, now things have changed, glowy tier grey is now my number 1 favorite for this glowy collection. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts. If I miss out on any details, please let me know down in the comment box below, and I'll answer them the best I can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.